guys, today we're doing Guess the Teddy, and I'm joined here with Kira!
Hey guys!
So, I'm going to be guessing the teddy first, so Kira, may you choose the teddy while I look over here. Guys, I don't know what she's choosing at all. She needs to explain it, and she needs to hide it behind her back.
It has a beak.
Is it a bird?
Nope.
Can you give me some more?
It has brown dots on it.
An owl?
Yeah.
Yes! 1 point to me! So, Kira's turn. It's in Guardians of the Galaxy.
Is it
And it's Rocket something.
Rocket Raccoon?
But it's not Rocket. It's just a normal...
Spider?
No. This is your last guess, you know.
That is.
You only get 3 guesses. So it is Rocket Raccoon, but it doesn't have what at the front of it.
A beak.
You get no points. It was a normal raccoon. Okay, your turn. She is quite bad at this game. I wonder what she's going to choose this time. La 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 la. I wasn't doing anything. It was her.
Okay, it has like a little like small little nose.
I'm a dog.
Nope.
Can you give me some more information?
It has a tail.
A cat.
Nope.
Give me more.
It
information.
has googly eyes and they're blue.
No, it has to be like what a real one looks like.
It
Not a
has
teddy one.
spiky like things on it.
Is it a hedgehog?
Nope. You got one more guess.
Oh, what? Can you give me some like a good bit of
It's got
information?
fins.
Fins. I'm just gonna guess a penguin.
Nope.
What was it?
It was this.
Oh, it was a seahorse.
Yeah, it was a seahorse.
Seahorse.
1 point for me.
So no, you don't get any points for doing that.
Oh, what?
So, Kira does get a point for doing that. So I've got
Yay.
2, she's got 1. So, this was a seahorse, so, bye! So, Kira, I'm going to choose you a hard one now. Okay, they're normally fluffy.
Is it a spider?
Nope.
Is it... Can you give me another clue?
They're all different colours.
A unicorn.
Yes!
Yes! 2 points for me.
Okay, guys, I want to get this now so I can smash that girl.
Okay, it has a shell.
Is it a snail?
Nope.
Can you give me some more?
It has 2 legs and 2 arms.
What?
Has 2 legs and 2 arms.
Crab?
Nope. One more guess.
Yeah, but it's in a shell. Nothing has 2 arms and 2 legs that's in a shell.
Yes, they do.
No, they don't.
And it has like a very small head.
Can you give me some more information? That's not
It's
information.
got a small head and it's got a very hard shell.
Well, you told me it has a shell. I don't need to know it's hard.
It has a little,
Do I, guys?
and it has a little tail at the back.
Has a shell. I have no idea.
Is that all? Look,
They have no legs.
yeah, they do. Look.
You said it has a big fat tail.
A big fat tail. I said it had a small tail.
Okay, I should get a point for that, right?
Okay.
I should get half a point.
half a point.
I did say it was like a snail. It's like a snail. Look. It's not. So I get half a point, right? Yeah. So I've got 2.5. So I'm going to choose a very, very hard one. Then it gives you no chance of getting it. Ah. I've chosen. They are normally grey.
Can you give me some more?
They have quite big noses.
How many legs does it have?
2. It has 2 legs and 2 hands. The ears are massive.
Is it a baby?
No.
Is it? What is it?
It's a sloth!
What?
The sloth. It's a really big fat sloth. So, today, I have won this round. Thank you very much. So, I am the champion, my friend. Hey! So, guys, here's the sore loser. I won!
And here's the winner.
Okay, guys, who did you think who would win? If you said Kira, I'm very sad. So, ready? Steady, go! Bye, guys! Peace out!